Hello world, Mike Pridmore with Utility Service Agency. Here today to talk to you about power design, substation control houses, and also battery houses. This unit is a big house. This unit is 8 foot wide by 9 foot high by 32 feet long. We have a smaller house that's going in various substations out in the utility world in the Carolinas and Virginia to help utilities save extend the life of their batteries by keeping them in a climate controlled environment. I want to point out this unit has all stainless steel hardware. You'll see here a lifting lug. There's another one on the other side of this conduit entry cabinet. So when this unit is picked up, you pick up the whole unit all at one time. It ships on a pallet. So when you pick up the unit, you take and unbolt it from the pallet, and inside the pallet will be your nested inside of there will be your conduit entry cabinet and your mini split air conditioner and other things that come with the cabinet. We're going to keep this closed out of respect for the customer and how they have it laid out, but we have laid it out customized to their needs and wants. Also inside, everything is pre-wired, ready to roll. When you get it out in the field, you pick it up, take it off the pallet, set it down on this concrete foundation that's already poured. Again, here we go, nice big heavy door. We're gonna keep that closed. If you wanna come see a unit in the field, get with Utility Service Agency and we'll get you out into a substation where one of these is located for a up close and personal tour. On the back side, you see here our mini split, and final connections are being made so we can keep this substation battery house nice and cool for many, many years to come. Contact Utility Service Agency for all your power design needs. Thanks.